Oh hi, you are here. I heartily welcome you to my YouTube channel. I am happy that you are here to watch my first video. So you were here to learn how to create a simple AI using C++, right? Then come on, let's start. Why are we wasting our time? For that I need my PC. Today I'm gonna demonstrate you how our AI works. So now you can see my desktop over here, and this icon over here will take us to the AI that I programmed using C++. So let's start.
Initializing databases. Establishing safe connection with Viasat1. Initial checks completed. Loading intro. Username and password required to verify it's you.
So now I've run the program. Let me explain you all the functions that our AI can perform detailed. First is displaying current date and time that you can see exactly in my screen over here. And next, weather report. Okay, I'll show you this later. Weather report and this one, current news headlines. This would be automatically executed if we have run this program during the morning session, but this is not morning. So next is the specialty. You can see specialty of the day, Merry Christmas is displayed, or as it is December 25. And next, ensuring security. Let me show how it works. So now it's asking me the username. Let me enter Code Warriors. And now it's asking for password. I'm gonna enter wrong password.
Username and password required to verify it's you.
You can see it's asking me again to enter the username. This time I'm not gonna make mistake. I'm gonna enter correct credentials, Code Warriors, and password. Done.
User verified. I heartily welcome you, Master. Namaskar. Myself Ravi, your AI personal assistant.
So likewise, the access would be granted only to the password holders. Moving on to next function. Our AI can chat with you just like Google Assistant, Alexa, Cortana, and Siri do. Like if I now enter, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you, Master?
So he's asking me, how am I? And my reply would be like, I'm good.
Great.
Likewise, you can chat with the AI just like you do with Google Assistant, Alexa, and Siri. Few minutes ago, I said you that our AI will give you the weather report and the news headlines. I'll now show you how it is. Let us assume now it's morning. So I'm gonna say, good morning.
Good morning, Master. Here you have today's news, weather, and mail updates being displayed in your screen.
And yes, here we have them now. So as I said you, here we have today's headlines from Hindustan Times, and here we can see our mail. On the right hand side we can see calendar where we can find the special events marked on this day or any task if we have, and here on the other tab we can find the weather report of my city. So now I'm gonna minimize this window and show you how our AI will close this application, which is the other function that our AI can perform. As you can see marked on this list over here. What I'm gonna do is just give a command saying close Google.
Executing program shutdown protocol.
Now you can see the window getting closed.
Success.
You can also ask any questions, like now I'm asking, what do you like to eat?
I don't eat much, but when I do, I take megabytes.
Now let me ask him another question. Are you a human? Sorry, human.
I'm really personable.
If I now say I don't have any friends,
I'm here for you.
so likewise, no matter what questions you ask, our AI will answer you either in a funny way or the way which will inspire you and motivate you. Now moving on to the next function. If I enter play video,
Opening file. Please wait.
and here we have that. Now if I say open pic, then
Opening file. Please wait.
and here we have the image opened. And now the next function is browse. If I want to search about something particular topic, I can ask my AI to do it for me. I should just enter search for. Now AI is showing a message saying, let me know what should I search for. So let me enter the topic, Indian Army.
Okay, master. Getting the information you asked for in Google, YouTube and Wikipedia. Please wait.
And here I have the information in the Google and YouTube and also in the Wikipedia browsed for me by my AI. Moving on to the next function now. Sorry, I think I missed something. Yes, now if I say play MP3,
Opening file. Please wait.
so likewise, which song you would like to hear, our AI would play that one for us. So now moving on to the next function, opening and closing any application. Our AI can open and close any application which is in the format of
Okay, sir.
.exe.
Opening word for you.
Like now I asked open Word, and so our AI did. Now you can see the Word application is open. Now I will show you the another one, like open PowerPoint.
Okay, master. Opening PowerPoint. Please wait.
And here we have the application opening. Now I will close this one too. What if you wanted to open a particular file type? So our AI will do that. Now I'll show you the one like .pdf files. I mean any PDF files can be opened through our AI. What I need to do is just say open PDF.
Opening file. Please wait.
Here we have that. Friends, this is a very useful PDF. This would help us in 10th board exams I recommend you to download it. Link in my description. You can go and download it now. Now let's move to the next file type, that is Word document. Let me say open docs.
Opening file. Please wait.
And here we have the Word file opened. This was a sample file. Let me minimize this. Now I'll show how our AI will close this application. And what I'm going to do is just type close Word. You can see the Word file is open. And now press enter.
Executing program shutdown protocol. Success.
Likewise, let us now try with the next file format, that is PowerPoint file, which is saved in .pptx format. What I'm gonna say is open pptx.
Opening file. Please wait.
And here we have the PowerPoint file. Let me minimize this one too and show you how our AI will close this application now. Say close PowerPoint.
Executing program shutdown protocol.
And
Success.
you can see successfully closed. Likewise, any file format can be opened. Now I have another last one, that is .mkv, which is a Hindi web series, Scam 1992. Let me show you this one too. I'm gonna say play Scam 1992.
Show Master. Which episode of your favorite web series would you like to watch now?
It's asking for the episode number. Let me enter 1.
Opening file. Please wait.
This is really a wonderful web series. If you have not watched it yet, link is given in the description. You can watch it or download it now. So next is reminder function. If I forgot anything, our AI will remind us. What I need to say is, did I forget anything?
Yes, Master. How can you forget to give the password to your audience? Without it, they cannot access to your website.
Oh yeah, I forgot to give you the password. So here you can see on the screen password being displayed. You can use this as an access code to the website. And next is shutdown. Before that, I can tell you some other functions. Our AI can perform some other functions too, other than the one which I have listed in the list. Like I can change the output color of the text.
Master.
And also we have much more functions which I will explain in my further tutorials. If I explain now, it may take half an hour. So
Okay, Master.
as I said, we can browse through our AI.
Okay, Master. Here you have the list of commands that may help you.
We can particularly search through Google or YouTube or Wikipedia instead of searching on all three sites. So it's time for our last function, that is shutdown or restart PC. First I will clear the screen.
Okay, Master.
And now time for the last function. I'm gonna say shutdown.
Master. I look forward to our next meeting. Until then, take care. Getting ready to execute AI shutdown protocol. Farewell.
Hope you like this video. If you wish to create an AI just as I did, then subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get latest video updates. Also follow us on Instagram at CodeWarriors004 for more programming knowledge. See you soon. Bye.